Okay, so today I'm doing some meal prep, and I'm gonna take all of our tomatoes that are ready, core them, and put them on a baking sheet, and then also cut them in half to make sauce. Okay, so here I took just the core out, and then I'm gonna cut them in half before I put them on the baking sheet. Okay, so all my tomatoes are on the pan. I'm going to add some onion.
Onion. Oh,
yeah. Yep. An
Mom,
onion
look,
we have
I
on
found a bean.
Oh, great, a bead. And then you
Bean.
can add garlic and a little olive oil to the top. And some salt to help take that juice out of the tomatoes. So you're gonna cook it at 450 for a half hour to an hour, depending on how big your tomatoes are. All right, my tomatoes are all roasted from the oven. They're cooled, and then I put just some Italian seasoning in there, probably a tablespoon. Okay, so a lot of tomato sauce has sugar added. A way you do not have to add sugar to get a little bit of that sweetness from all that acid is to put carrots. So when you go to make your sauce, just add some carrots in, blend her up, and she will be ready to eat. And here we go, end product. Looks beautiful and ready to eat.